Welcome to the channel, everyone. Us boys here are new at the filming, so bear with us a little bit on that, but we'll get better, trust. So, today was a little hectic. Our first hunt here, put on the channel, and it was a good one, actually. It's been real slow here the last half a month or so. Plus, gun deer season just ended, so we'll be getting back out in the field a little bit more. But yeah, we got on them today for you, so we will hopefully keep this streak going for you and get some more out because we enjoy doing it. So, like I said, though, that filming process, it'll be rough, but we'll get there. So, yeah. Enjoy the video. They're gonna go to the pond.
Are they going to the pond?
Yeah, they're heading towards the pond.
Are they still way behind us?
I think.
Yeah, they're behind us. You can turn left.
Are they going to the pond or?
They're really fucking getting down right now. Oh, they're fucking really getting down right now. Call it if you like it. Okay, until I turn. You're ready on the left. Ready, AJ?
I'm ready.
Ready? Shoot him. Hell of a job. That house is getting fucking
Hey, we got a 4-pack. Oh, we got a bunch of geese running. Hey!
Let's go get that one. I'm down! Oh shit! I'm sorry, little one. I'm full of snow. You got some, no jewelry. Oh. Oh. This is a big one. They did it.
Right over.
They did it as they should have.
Yeah.
A little side swipe action and.
We all shot our first ones and nothing went down. I'm like, you got it.
Yeah.
You're ready. You're ready on the two. You ready on these two? Right out front, guys.
Yep.
You ready? Might be a poke.
Go
Ready?
for it. Now.
Guys, I'm fine leaving those. I just need to get some more.
And they...
Is that Jeremy?
Probably. We'll just have to poke.
Hey, we got a solo coming from the front left. Let's just get another one down. Yeah, we're just gonna kill this. AJ, it's gonna be on our left.
Yeah.
Fucking feet are already down. Ready?
Yep.
Kill this. That took a lot of fucking shots.
Did take a lot of shots.
I got it.
We got one.
You guys see any other ones?
I do not.
Oh, fuck it. Dude, them two from
Guys,
up
we
above.
got 2 crashing from like.
Hey, Isaac. Well, we got
We're gonna shoot these from the left, low key.
from the left right now.
They're gonna do it. Ready, boys? We're gonna say fuck it. Do we? Fuck it. Let her eat. Cannonballs!
Dude, that's better than I thought we were gonna do.
You're so high. That was like snow goose hunting right there.
Yeah, it was.
That was fucking awesome. So why are you finished?
That 3-pack just pulled them away, didn't they?
I think so. No, they're coming back. I think. Bro. No, why won't they finish, dude?
Probably 150, but they look. They're gonna take a look.
And they're gonna drop. Oh baby, oh baby. Some to the right somewhere.
Dude, they're just gonna flutter back and forth until they.
Oh my god, the solo.
Get ready on the solo, guys.
Should we just pop the solo?
Yes.
Yeah. Fucking take one by one, boys.
Take that. Oh my god, I have no ammo. Oh, thank you guys.
Sorry for shooting over your head.
I don't care.
I damn near took Wad's ear off there. I'm sorry, bad, bud.
I didn't know I didn't have ammo. Are they? Where are they?
Up left. I got it.
You call. I can't see.
They're fucking high.
Fuck it.
These two on the
These
left.
two. Bonus points if you hit David. Wait, they're all coming. They're all coming. They're all coming. They're all coming. They're all coming.
You calling it, AJ?
Yeah, I got it.
Make sure you shoot up in the air. Do not shoot David.
I mean, I guess we could. Oh,
3, 2, 1, go. One.
I had one shell.
I didn't.
Hey, we got
We
another
got a
one.
sailor. I'm gonna go get
Got
him.
it, AJ.
I'm gonna go get him.
Oh, fucker.
Watch one on the right.
We got
Go
permission.
into that field.
I have permission across the street. I see him.
Hey, yeah, I think it might be hard.
Please be banded. Banded. Another bird though. He's a chungus. Alright. Today's hunt went great. A traffic hunt in the middle of 2 ponds and a river, so kind of just playing that flight path of water hopping and hopefully having something come by, take a look and get them in, and it worked out. So we got a limit of birds on the ground. I got a tow strap here. We got to go pull a car out. Had a little bit of a mishap this morning, but birds are down on the ground. We're done for the morning, and I'm showing back up to the field here. So enjoy the hunt. It was quite great in the snow. We got 8 inches of snow yesterday, between the last 2 days here in Wisconsin. So did what we could and got on them. So enjoyed the video and leave a like and subscribe. And I think they're talking to the cops here, so